Hello everyone and welcome to this session. In today's session, we are going to learn about the power of internal IDs in Oracle NetSuite. First, let's understand what are internal IDs in NetSuite. Internal IDs are extremely important, especially if you are a NetSuite developer or programmer. Without internal IDs, you simply cannot create scripts or any development within NetSuite. So what exactly is an internal ID? An internal ID is a unique identifier provided by NetSuite for each record and each transaction. It's a gapless ID, meaning it's assigned without missing any sequence. We use these internal IDs to refer to fields, transactions, and records when developing or customizing NetSuite. How to view internal IDs in NetSuite? Now, in this session, I will show you how to view the internal ID for records and transactions. Let's get started. Open NetSuite. Navigate to the Home icon. Click on Set Preferences. The Set Preferences page will open. Go to the General tab. Find the option called Show Internal IDs. Check the box next to Show Internal IDs. Finally, click the Save button to apply the changes. Once you enable this setting, you'll be able to see the internal IDs across the system. Example: Viewing Customer Internal IDs. Let's take a practical example. Navigate to Lists. Go to Relationships. Click on Customers. Now, you can see the list of customers along with their internal IDs. These IDs are assigned by NetSuite, and you cannot change them. Understanding Field Internal IDs. Next, let's look deeper not just at records, but at field internal IDs. Open any customer record. For example, a customer named General Stores. Once the customer record is open, you can see multiple fields. Click on any field. Let's take the Customer ID field. When you click, a field help page will open. On the right-hand side, you will see something called Field ID. This field ID is visible only if you enabled Show Internal IDs earlier. For example, the field ID for Customer ID is Entity ID. Notice there are no spaces. Remember, internal IDs do not contain spaces. Each field, whether a standard field or a custom field, has an internal ID. Example: Different field IDs. Let's look at a few more examples. The internal ID for the type field is this person. The internal ID for the company name is company name. These are all standard fields provided by NetSuite. Identifying custom fields. Now, let's explore custom fields. Fields that are created by the NetSuite administrator for specific business needs. Example: Find the field called Business Units. Click on it. The Field Help page will open. You'll notice the field ID is something like CSEGABC. If a field ID begins with Cust Body, Cust Field, or CSEG, then it indicates a custom field created by your administrator. You can also read the description on the Field Help page. It usually says, "This is a custom field created for your account." Another example: Find the Customer Category field. Its field ID might start with CSEG, confirming it's a custom field. Key differences: Standard versus custom field internal IDs. So how can you differentiate between standard and custom fields? Standard fields have clear field names, like Entity ID or Company Name, and do not begin with Cust or CSEG. Custom fields start with cust body, cust field, or CSEG_. In programming or scripting, we will use these internal IDs, whether standard or custom, to refer to fields accurately. Conclusion. To summarize, internal IDs are crucial for development in NetSuite. They uniquely identify records and fields. Knowing how to find and use internal IDs is a must-have skill for every NetSuite developer. I hope you now have a clear understanding of what internal IDs are, how to view them, and how to differentiate between standard and custom field IDs. Always remember, internal IDs are the foundation when you write scripts or customize NetSuite. Are you ready to become a NetSuite developer? Do you want to stand out in the ERP industry? I have created a new course just for you. It's called NetSuite SuiteScript Developer Course, From Zero to Hero. This course is designed for beginners and professionals. You don't need any coding experience to get started. Step by step, I will guide you from the basics to the advanced level. You'll learn SuiteScript 1.0 and 2.0 from scratch. You'll build real-time scripts using real-world examples. We will create user event scripts, client scripts, suitelets, and much more. This is not just theory. These are real problems I solved for an actual client. I turned that experience into a course that's simple, clear, and practical. This course will help you understand how NetSuite scripting works, gain confidence to work on real projects, and grow your career with in-demand skills. If you want to become a NetSuite developer, if you want to learn in a clear, hands-on way, then this course is made for you. The course link is in the description below. Join now and start your NetSuite journey today.